Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable ringtone volume on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. There are actually two simple ways to adjust your ringtone volume on the Pixel 8 Pro, and I'll walk you through both of them so you can choose whichever method works best for you. For the first method, start by tapping the gear icon on your home screen or app drawer to open up your device settings. This is your main hub for all system configurations and customization options. Once the settings menu opens, scroll down and tap on Sound and Vibration. This section controls all the audio settings on your device, including ringtones, notifications, and media volume. Inside the sound and vibration menu, you'll see an option labeled Ring Volume. This controls how loud your phone rings when you receive incoming calls. To enable or adjust your ringtone volume, simply drag the slider to the right. Moving it further to the right increases the volume, while sliding it to the left decreases it. Find a volume level that works for you, and your ringtone will now be enabled and set to your preferred loudness. Now, if you prefer a quicker method that doesn't require diving into the settings menu, there's a second way to do this. Simply press either the volume up or volume down button on the side of your Pixel 8 Pro. When you do this, a volume control panel will appear on your screen. At the top of this panel, you'll notice a More icon which looks like three dots or a similar symbol. Tap on this icon to expand the full volume controls. Once you tap More, you'll see separate sliders for different audio categories, including one labeled Ring. This is the same ringtone volume control you saw in the settings, just accessed through a faster route. Adjust the slider under Ring by dragging it to the right to enable and increase your ringtone volume. This method is particularly useful when you need to quickly adjust your ringtone without navigating through multiple menus. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and adjusted the ringtone volume on your Google Pixel 8 Pro using either the settings menu or the quick volume controls. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.